This game is called Mountain Climber. It's based around the idea of a race to the top of a mountain. To begin the game, the instructor will divide the participants into 4 groups. Each group would then be given a question. If they get the question right, the instructor will spin the wheel to see how many moves up the mountain that team can make on that turn. Each time they move up the mountain, they are moving ahead of their other climbers. The climbers that reach the top of the mountain first are declared the winners. Let's see an example of how the game is played. In this example, the teacher or instructor now takes their questions, the review questions, their vocabulary sheet, whatever it is, in their hand, and they go to the first team, which in our case will be Team Red, and ask them a question. The red team gets the question correct, so they are now going to click on Spin the Wheel, or the instructor can click Spin the Wheel, and we see that the red team moves ahead 1 space. We'll click the red team space 1 time. It moves them 1 space onto the dot here. The blue team will be second. We're going to give them a question. They get it correct. Instructor clicks Spin the Wheel, and the blue team is going to move forward 2 spaces. So I will now click the Move Blue Team twice. By clicking the button twice, it moves them ahead 2 spaces. If I needed to move them ahead 3 spaces, I would simply click it 1 more time and they would move up to the 3rd space. Let's go on and do one more. If the yellow team was our 3rd one and they got it correct, we would simply hit Spin the Wheel again. And this time the yellow team is moving forward 1. So we click the yellow team button 1 time. Clicking it once moves the yellow dot forward once, and now they're on the board 2. The team that gets to the top of the mountain first is declared the winner. To begin the game using Office 2007, go to the Slideshow tab and click 1 time. After clicking on the Slideshow tab, click the From Beginning button on the far left. This will begin the game. To start the game in any version of PowerPoint before Office 2007, go to the Slideshow menu and choose View Show. This game is designed for whole class participation. Participants are divided into teams or may work as individuals. For best results, use an LCD projector or TV to display the game to participants. If you receive a security alert when beginning this game and you're using Office 2007, simply click the Enable This Content button and then click OK. Please note, if you are using a version of Microsoft Office prior to Office 2003, some of the features in these games may not function properly. It is advised that you do your editing of the PowerPoint slides or games in your older version, and then use Microsoft's free PowerPoint viewer for actual game play. To download the free viewer, just do a web search for PowerPoint Player 2007.